Well, a big murder case in a small town is about to rock South Carolina. With more than 100 criminal charges waiting, disbarred attorney Alec Murdaugh goes on trial tomorrow, facing the fight of his life, charged with killing his own wife and son. And still in the wings, Murdaugh linked with 3 additional death investigations and alleged fraud schemes as well. A family dynasty now in ruins amid lies, power, and murder. The jaw-dropping crime saga about to play out in front of courtroom cameras, and NewsNation has it all covered. Senior national correspondent Brian Entin live on the ground for us in South Carolina tonight with the preview. Brian, tell us, what is the vibe on the ground there in South Carolina?
Yeah, I think people are on pins and needles here in South Carolina and really in the entire region. They didn't think that this day would ever come, that this murder trial would actually be starting tomorrow. You have to understand the Murdaughs basically controlled this part of the state, especially when it comes to the justice system. They had control over this small courthouse behind me in Colleton County, South Carolina, because they had high-ranking members of their family in the solicitor's office here, which is essentially the district attorney's office, for the last century. So when all of this started to unravel, the people who live in this community really thought, there's no way he'll actually get charged. There's no way there will actually be a murder trial. But here we are, Natasha. It's all set to start tomorrow.
And the trial is something that has been so highly anticipated. Do you understand what the jury selection process is going to be looking like and how long that could take?
Yeah, you know, I've covered a number of jury selections before in other trials, and I think this is going to be so different, again, because this family is so well known here, and the trial wasn't moved away. I mean, it's still happening here, where the family had so much power and influence for so long, and they still continue to have influence. We've talked to people in town who have said, gosh, I would never want to be on that jury. I'd almost be scared of, like, what might happen to me. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens when they start calling people in tomorrow, if people are nervous, if they have connections to the family, and just how long it takes for them to pick a jury. We heard estimates of about 3 days, but the thought is it could go on quite longer, Natasha.
Yeah, all very interesting. Brian Entin live for us on the ground in South Carolina. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.